Ever wonder what the stock market actually is? It sounds complicated, but it's really not. Let's break it down in simple terms. The stock market can seem overwhelming, with all the numbers, charts, and fast-talking experts. But at its core, the stock market is just a place where people buy and sell shares of companies. Why does this matter to you? Because whether you realize it or not, the stock market plays a role in your everyday life. It affects your retirement savings, your investments, and even the economy that impacts your job and the price of goods. Let's dive in and make sense of it all. Imagine this: you're at a farmer's market, and every stand is selling a piece of their business. When you buy a share of that business, it's like owning a small piece of the stand. In the stock market, these stands are companies like Apple, Tesla, or Starbucks. They sell pieces of ownership, called stocks or shares, to raise money. When you buy a share, you become a part owner of that company, even if it's just a tiny fraction. But why do stock prices go up and down? It's all about supply and demand. Let's say Apple releases a new product that everyone loves. More people want to buy Apple stock, so the price goes up. On the flip side, if a company has bad news, like a product recall, fewer people want their stock, and the price can drop. The stock market itself is like a giant shopping mall, with different sections or exchanges, such as the New York Stock Exchange or NASDAQ, where these transactions happen. Here's a relatable example. Imagine you invest $100 in a company's stock, and its value grows by 10%. That means your investment is now worth $110. Over time, your money can grow, especially if you reinvest any profits. But it's not guaranteed. Stocks can also lose value. This is why it's important to think of the stock market as a long-term game. Instead of chasing quick wins, many successful investors focus on gradual growth over years. The stock market isn't as intimidating as it seems. It's a tool for building wealth over time, but like anything else, it comes with risks. Start small, stay informed, and think long-term. If this explanation made the stock market a little less confusing, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with someone who's ready to start their investing journey. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.